Feast your eyes and follow me in this tutorial on how to make $1,000 on Instagram using this smart strategy. And first of all, just you can head to TikTok, and here on TikTok you can look for something like motivational and inspirational speech. So here in the search bar we can type something like motivational speech. Following that, here you can find hundreds and thousands of accounts that talk about this amazing content. So we can pick one of them and we can go to this one, for example, Owl. Afterward, here you can find huge amounts of these amazing videos as you see. So here in the second step in our today's video, just we can pick these videos like this one, for example, and copy its link. Copy link address. Then we can go to this amazing website that is called Talk Downloads. Click over it, where we can download these TikTok videos without any watermark with high quality for free. So here in this box we can paste this link, paste, then click over this button, download. And by the way, here you can download multiple videos just with a click of a button for free. Download videos. And if you don't know how to make money online using TikTok videos you don't have in different 12 ways, you can watch this video down below in the description box and in the first comment. And back to our drawing box. So we can take this video and go to any editing video, any software from your choice. I'm gonna go to CapCut because it's free and amazing at the same time. So you can use CapCut in different ways, either in this web version or as a software or as an application on your phone. So here we can open this interface and import your videos that you downloaded from TikTok earlier. Import, then drag this video to the timeline like that. And here in this step, you've got to separate the audio from the visual content of this video. So you can right click over it and separate audio as you see, then hide this visual content as you see. Then in this step we've got to replace this visual content of the original video with another source. So we can get a lot of different video clips from two amazing ways. The first one, we can head over amazing websites that provide you beautiful free stock footage for free for commercial use, such as Pixels, Pixabay, Cover, Life of It, and so on. So here you can look for a lot of different videos talking about motivation, success, personal development, and much more. And the second way to get videos for your video, that is, you can feed your video with an AI content. And here we can go to an awesome website that says Kuiper.ai, one of the best websites to animate your images and bring life to them. And of course, here in today's video, we're not gonna use Kuiper.io to generate my videos, but we can head over to this gallery that contains a wide range of these animated images that have been generated by different users as you see. So all you need to do, just you can search for any animated images or videos that are related to your motivation and your success. So we can look for something like lions, motivation, and so on. So you can find your images, your videos like this one, for example, and then you can click over it and save video as. So when you're done and you're happy with your free footage from free websites and from Kuiper.ai, you can import them in your CapCut. Import like this one, for example. Then you can add your videos here along with your video as you see. Then now it's time to add some captions and attractive dynamic captions. You can make it either on CapCut itself just by going to text, and here you can select this feature auto captions. Therefore you can customize this caption as you want here on this customization tools on CapCut, or easily you can download your video from CapCut and head over an awesome website that is submagic.co. Here you can generate dynamic captions to attract viewers and attract audience like many freelancers and famous people here on TikTok and social media. Therefore, when you're done with your videos with amazing caption, just you can head over to Instagram and create a business page related to motivational and success and inspiration and something like that. Therefore, you are ready to publish your videos in the reel form. And here, to optimize your reel and to go wider for many people, you've got to make two things. Number one, perfect and attractive caption and target hashtags. And as for generating a captivating caption, you can go to an awesome website that is tools.pixart.com. Here you can find a wide range of amazing tools regarding videos, images, and a wonderful section regarding AI writer. If we click over that, here you can find a plethora of these beautiful AI templates that will blow your mind as you see. So in our today's topic, we can head over to this one, image caption generator. Click over it. And here we can insert these details like describe your image or reel if to speak, like motivational speech, and include some following details and these keywords, and add a call to action like click the link bio for more information or click the link in bio. So now we can type something like motivational speech, and here we can insert the same one quickly, copy, okay, click the link in the bio, okay, and select this tone friendly. Now click over this button generate, and here after a few seconds, as you see this first one, ready to feel inspired, join us a powerful motivational speech that will uplift your spirits and ignite your passion and so on and so forth. So all you have to do is you can copy one of these beautiful captions for every single reel you are publishing. And as for the second one about regarding the target hashtags, you can go to a wonderful website that is toolsyo.com hashtag generator for Instagram. Here in this gorgeous website, you can generate what's so-called hashtag formula concerning the difficulty and competition. So here you can for something like motivation or inspiration or success, for example, then click over generate hashtags button to generate for you this amazing hashtag formula as you see. So now you can pick from the hard difficulty hashtags 3 or 5 like fitness, fit quote, desire, success, and so on and so forth, and from medium 10 for example, and the rest from easy as you see. Like, and here when you complete these 30 hashtags, you can copy them and insert and paste in the first comment of your reel after you've published it. And now how we can monetize your reels published on your Instagram page regarding motivation and success and so on. Here you've got to promote a lot of different related products. So you can use any affiliate network like Shurasale, ClickBank, or Digistore24, and then you can find hundreds and thousands digital products regarding personal development, success, mindset, positivity, and etc. Therefore, you can get a lot of different products and insert them in a landing page or link in bio as this one. Of course, you can find all bronze description box in the first comment. The best free link in bio builders that you can use for your social media accounts like for Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and so on, including this one link in bio. Therefore, you can copy the link of this landing page or link in bio and insert in your profile or in your bio on Instagram page. So you can use these amazing reels to get a lot of traffic to your link in bio. And of course, don't forget that you've mentioned this one in your caption as you see to drive people to your bio where you can find your link as you see. So by the end, thank you for watching. If any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.